Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to fix sound echo on Android devices. So in order to fix your problem, first of all, scroll down to your control panel on your mobile devices. From here, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now, once you come to Settings page, scroll down below and tap on General Management. Now again scroll down below and tap on Reset. Now scroll down below again and all you would have to do is tap on Reset All Settings. Now over here you can see all the categories that will be reset. So if you tap on the option of Reset Settings, your problem will be fixed. If this does not work, let's go back again. And once you are on the settings page again, tap on the option of Software Update. Now over here, if you have pending software updates, tap on it and make sure that your Android device is updated to its latest version. So follow these easy steps in order to fix your issue. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.